Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Falls Church, Virginia, and the homeowner has a chimney leak right down here, right at the base. I checked all the step flashing, the counter flashing, everything was fine. Also, the mortar is fine, there's no cracks anywhere. So the homeowner got estimates from other contractors, and everybody wanted to change the counter flashing and the step flashing, but that's unnecessary, and I'll show you the source of the problem right there. You can see the counter flashing is pulling away. So when it's a driving rain towards the chimney, the water will seep in there and the water will leak inside the home. Also, the water can travel underneath the shingles and settle at the exterior wall as well. So this is very simple. All I have to do is just seal that, and then the leak is over and done. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Falls Church and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.